While the past 2 years have revealed many weaknesses in our educational systems, it has also uncovered the power to be gained for students in high-dosage tutoring programs. Today, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of high-dosage tutoring. Before we jump into it, be sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here, where we cover study techniques that are proven to help students. Before we get into the meat of it, let's talk a little bit about what qualifies as high-dosage tutoring. There is some variability in how to define high-dosage tutoring, but all studies agree to qualify students must receive one-to-one attention with qualified teachers at least 3 times a week. If these criteria are met, research indicates few programs can accelerate student achievement faster than high-dosage tutoring. So let's cover some of the do's and don'ts of high-dosage tutoring. Tip number 1, do recognize that tutoring is not just for remediation. Tutoring is traditionally thought to be something helpful for struggling students. While struggling students certainly benefit from tutoring, research indicates that tutoring will also accelerate the learning for average to above average students. By addressing questions quicker and identifying new facets of learning, tutoring has a way to supercharge academics for all students. Tip number 2, don't let tutoring become a crutch. There are times when students delay homework and studies until they can sit with his or her tutor. While this is not always a problem, it can indicate a student has become over-reliant on his or her tutors. Students should primarily be able to complete homework and study for tests on their own. Instruction, homework, and exams are all designed to build pathways of learning in the brains of students, and students can sometimes short-wire this process by becoming over-reliant on tutors. Tip number 3, do focus on finding high-quality tutors. The acceleration of learning during tutoring is highly correlated with the quality of the tutor students work with. The power of high-dosage tutoring is most dramatic when your child is spending time with a high-quality tutor. Parents selecting tutors for their students should spend a lot of time finding the right quality tutor or tutors for their children. Tip number 4, don't use tutoring irregularly. To reap the benefits of high-dosage tutoring, it must be regular and consistent. While there is space for emergency tutoring to help students with a particularly difficult material, the advantages of high-dosage tutoring are only available for students engaged at least 3 times per week in tutoring. Finally, tip number 5, do consider a school or program change if coursework is just too difficult. When students consistently require tutoring support to complete the coursework required, it may be worth considering a change of program or even schools. Over the long run, students are better off in courses that are appropriately challenging. When coursework is overwhelming, it can have an impact on students' work ethic and self-esteem, which will eventually cause the students to give up on school and classes. It is better to readjust courses than to become over-reliant on the assistance of a tutor. The last few years have revealed that accelerated learning is available to students enrolled in high-dosage tutoring programs. We hope that you have found this episode helpful in determining the do's and don'ts of setting up high-dosage tutoring for your child. If you're looking for high-quality tutors, be sure to check out our list of teachers available to help your child on TenneyTutors.com. As always, be sure to hit that like and give us a follow if you enjoyed this content. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded whenever we post a new video. Be sure to check out all the links in the description if you're curious about us or want to peruse some content that we previously posted on our channel. See you on the next one.